the neighborhood. Let's go for a little mosey walk around the neighborhood. Got a little construction possibility going here. Well, reconstruction. This place is being refurbished for rent. Right here in Santa Rosa Heights subdivision, Puting Kahoy, Silong Cavite. Looks like people are starting to get out from school, starting to get home. I don't know if they're letting them out early because of the rain or it's just that time of day. I think it's just that time of day. So it's about 3:30 in the afternoon on a Wednesday, and it's been rainy lately, so it's that time of year. That's the season, rainy season they call it. It's never cold, so that's a blessing. We'll just head up here to the main road and see if we can see any interesting people or situations going on. There's our security guys. How's it going, guys? Going good? Our security team. Always a bunch of friendly guys there. This little area, some of these little businesses like this one here, 2 weeks ago this was a corn dog little thing. You might have seen that in the previous video. Now they've changed it. That's how quick it changed hands. Now it's milk tea. So didn't make it, I guess. People weren't too into corn dogs, or they were priced too high, or who knows. Things change rapidly sometimes with these small businesses. This location over here used to have another business called Explosive Burger, and they went out of business too. They were really good burgers, but apparently they were too high priced for, a lot of people to come and, come several times. They might have tried it once and then it was just too expensive for them. So they didn't make it. And Doc's, they're a chain, so I think they're pretty safe no matter where they're at. They're all over the Philippines, so 20 pesos will buy you a ticket. Prices are in the millions, for pesos. Which, of course, people would love to have millions of pesos, including me. We'll take a little walk down here and see what's going on. Looks to me like, as per usual, it's a hectic traffic kind of afternoon. So I don't know exactly what I can show you. This, you can see the barrier around this area. This is going to be a Jollibee franchise. So they're in there. I'm not sure if I can get any video of that construction site or not. Possibly. Take a look around here and see. This is what you see. And this area here is not too much unlike any other area in the Philippines. I'm just familiar with it because this is my neighborhood. But it's basically the same no matter where you go. 7-Eleven. They're about as popular as McDonald's here. Every other block there's a McDonald's or a 7-Eleven. The two big American chains that are here. A lot of the other fast food restaurants are here as well. Burger King, KFC, what other ones? Pizza Hut, Shakey's. But they're not as many as McDonald's is a huge, and so is 7-Eleven. So if you are an American thinking of coming here, that is your safe zone. That is the one thing that you will definitely recognize. But a lot of the other things you see and do are going to be Filipino, you know. So if you are thinking of coming here, you might want to, you know, do a little research on the food, try some of the food, because it is available in places in the United States as well. I'm not sure about other countries, but I'm pretty sure they offer the same Filipino food you can get in the United States. So just a thought, I don't know. Santa Rosa, Laguna. This is actually Puting Kahoy, Santa Rosa Laguna. Here is our friendly egg vendor. Always got fresh eggs from the farm. Fresh eggs from the farm. Good deal. Oh yeah, so that's another good thing I really like about this place is the markets. I mean, no matter where you're at, you're going to be able to find fresh vegetables, eggs, fruit, that kind of thing available in small little street markets like that, you know. These little eateries. I'll show you this one kind of close up a little bit. Well, anyway, they're another thing that are everywhere. On every street corner, on every block. No matter where you're at, you're going to find these little eateries. And they serve the Philippine fare. Filipino rice with what they call ulam. Ulam is anything that goes on the rice. Any kind of dish. Could be chicken, pork, fish. That's ulam. And you'll buy that. You'll buy the one serving of rice and one serving of ulam. Generally about 40 pesos or 75 cents, maybe $1 at the most. And that's good. That's good. So I'm going to walk up here to save more, and I'll get back with you. Here we are at the obligatory jeepney stand. Anywhere you need to go from Tagaytay to Balibago, and in kilometers, I'm not really sure how far that is. It's about 30 minutes in each direction. But that is where you catch the trike, or the jeepney. This is our local grocery. I've shown this before, but I'm getting a little more in-depth this time. Just to show around. Kind of a daily, you know, walk or routine. So you do stay in shape. If you own a car, of course it's a lot simpler to get around, but if you're on foot or if you've just got a motorcycle, you can do pretty good here with the public transportation. I'm going to head over here to a tricycle stand and see who we know over there. This is a busy little intersection right here. You want to be cautious. Don't want to get run over. But then again, I've never seen anybody run over yet. It might seem pretty hectic. It might seem like a lot of distractions and things going on, but it's a organized chaos somehow. I'm not really sure how that works, but it does. Here we are, tricycle stand, going to, this is taking you down to Buklo's Bahayan. Used to come in here quite a bit. Little eatery down in here. some friendly people. Go down here and check it out for a minute. You got your food, variety of food here. So this is what you see, a little eatery for the tricycle drivers, for the people who work over here at Save More. And it's pretty cool. I like to come down here. I used to come down here and drink, but I don't drink anymore, so take a peek at these roosters over here. Look at that. I always hear the roosters crowing. Hey! Javier!
Tawagin mo!
Huh?
Ecol!
Coffee? No.
No wine.
No wine. Stay away from the wine for a while. How you guys doing over here, huh?
Hi guys!
Been doing good? Say hi to the YouTube audience, huh? Vlog for all the foreigners who want to think about coming to the Philippines. I tell them, beware of people like these guys right here. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you later. As you can see, these guys are friendly as hell. I consider them my friends. We're good friends. I've known most of these drivers for quite a while. Going on 15 years for some of them. Hey, Poochie. This is the entrance to this little area. And that we just at was the exit. So that's where they pick up the passengers. This is where they return. Or bring passengers down from Buffalo. Really nice here. I mean, you've seen how hectic that roadway was up there. You come off just a little bit, and you can actually get away from all the noise and the racket pretty quick in some cases. So I'm going to take a quick peek at this little monument up here. I'm not sure what it is exactly, but I'll take a look at it. Yeah, so I've often wondered what this is. I've never got a real story on what it actually was or is. It was, because it ain't no more, but it's more of a ruin now. But in my mind, I keep on thinking it must have been a bell tower or something. I've never actually ventured up to it, so I'm going to go up here just to get a little video and see what we can see. Watch your step. That's the tricky part. Trying to video and not trip on the steps. But so as you can see, the top here, doesn't look like much. Pretty cool little view. Got the graffiti, of course, because kids hang out up here. So it's just a big tower that rises up. There's no plaque that I can see. Huh. Just a hangout for kids. That's what it looks like. Hi. Hello. They're going to do the TikTok dance video. So I better move out of that frame. I don't want to be part of their TikTok. Say the old man ruined our TikTok. That's a new apartment complex that's coming in. It's supposed to be all solar. That's pretty interesting. Well, I'll tell you what, guys. I've just about worn myself out from the walk. I want to thank you again for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing. If you really like them, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any ideas, anything you might want to see, please leave a message or a comment down there in the comment section. And I'll see what I can do to either pump up the information, go for the trip. We're free to go on any kind of trip anywhere. And I'll be glad to do that for you guys. And thanks again. Talk to you next time. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care. Next time.